So it's our first day exploring in Switzerland. We're down in Lauterbrunnen and we're gonna check out the area, and then we're gonna see if we can take a cable car up to Murren, or see if we can drive there. I think you have to take a cable car, and maybe check out Wengen as well.
Waterfall.
Look at that stunning waterfall, that's sweet. Mighty Starbuck waterfall. Not so mighty at the moment.
And fairly frozen.
Yes, it is.
Usually there are waterfalls all along this stretch. There are about 72 waterfalls, I think, in this little mountain village we're in. But unfortunately, this is the only one that you can still kind of see. And use of the path leading up to it is strictly forbidden.
Strictly forbidden in winter. After wandering around the streets and enjoying a short walk around Lauterbrunnen, we loaded onto the gondola, which brought us a vertical distance of 684 meters to the transportation grid shop. The views couldn't have been more perfect, with the sun shining on the snow-capped mountains. Once at the top, we quickly boarded a train to take us the rest of the way to Murren, at an elevation of 1,638 meters. There's also a well-kept walking path along the train route, which we explored more thoroughly on the way back.
Next stop, Murren Terminus Station. All passengers are requested to leave the train. We wish you a pleasant stay.
Murren is a very popular tourist destination in both summer and winter, offering over 2,000 beds worth of accommodation. It's a bit crazy to think that approximately 450 people live here year-round and have to take these means of transportation daily to get to and from their jobs. Sweet paragliding. The amazing views from up there. Gimmelwald is another even smaller village located directly south of Murren. There's normally a gondola that transports people to and from these two places, but it was under repair, so we decided to head down by foot, not quite knowing quite how long of a trek it really was. Thankfully, the scenery continued to amaze us, and as it was all downhill, it really was quite a pleasant journey that brought us to the mountain hostel. Once at the bottom, I had some fun on the playground before loading into the jam-packed van bus that took us back to Murren. The last adventure of our day was to head to yet another small mountain village on the opposite side of the valley that Lauterbrunnen lies in, Wengen. We purchased our train tickets at the station and headed up the hill with only a couple goals in mind. Browse the shops that were open, grab a drink, and find a cheese fondue for dinner. Switzerland. Alright, Taryn, dig into that fondue. Get in there.
It's gonna be very hot.
That is some hot melty cheese. Oh yeah. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the rest of our awesome Switzerland adventures.